Today, we are going to solve the problem 2.35 of Griffith fourth edition, Introduction to Electrodynamics. The problem 2.35 is, here is a fourth way of computing the energy of a uniformly charged solid sphere. Assemble it like a snowball, layer by layer, each time bringing in an infinitesimal charge TQ from far away, yes, smudging it uniformly over the surface, thereby increasing the radius. How much work TW, that is uh, say a small amount of work, turn it to fill up the radius by an amount TR. So dr is increase in radius. Integrate this to find the work necessary to create entire sphere of radius r and total charge q. Now I will explain the problem. We have a sphere of radius capital R. Now what we are doing is we are going to bring a cell, small cell of thickness TR, spherical cell. Remember that this is a spherical cell with a small charge TQ. So from we are bringing it from infinite distance to the surface of the sphere, so that the radius of the sphere will get increased. Not only that, when you are bringing the charge, charge of spherical cell from infinite to this surface, you have to surely carry out the work. What is the amount of work done to bring this small cell from infinite distance to this surface? So what is rho? Rho is volume charge density, which is equal to charge divided by volume. Charge Q divided by 4 pi 3 pi capital R Q, because the radius is capital R. Now, what is the charge enclosed by the sphere of radius r? Then it is uh, the volume enclosed by the small radius r is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume enclosed by small radius r. Yeah, if you multiply this by volume density, you will get the enclosed charge. Now you know rho from here. You replace rho by this one. That is Q over 4 by 3 pi, pi capital R cube, and this you keep as it is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now you can cancel some of the term. You can cancel this 4 by 3 pi and this 4 by 3 pi because it's in the numerator, so it will get cancelled. Then remaining thing is you have Q and RQ in the numerator and small rq in the numerator and capital RQ in the denominator. This is the charge enclosed. You keep it in your mind. We are going to use it later stage. Then we will move further. And now we are increasing the radius by an amount TR. That is, we are creating the extra spherical cell as shown in shaded line. So the other charge, thin spherical cell, TQ is the charge we are adding this original spherical cell. So TQ is equal to rho, that is volume charge multiplied by volume. So we are taking a small thickness. 4 pi r squared multiplied by tr. 4 pi r squared is radius. If you multiply the, sorry, 4 pi r squared is the area. If you multiply by thickness, you will get a volume. This is TQ. TQ is equal to rho multiplied by 4 pi r squared tr. So now we have to calculate the work needed to bring in dr from infinite distances That is what is potential small work done due to a small charge, work done per unit charge, or TW over TQ. You bring this TQ other side. So now you know what is V of R. That is potential. Potential is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, the total charge enclosed over R. This is by definition, it's a potential as a function of R. Now Q enclosed we have seen just now is equal to this Q divided by R small rq over capital RQ. This is Q enclosed. Remember that this is Q enclosed. And also additionally we have R. I have brought that R here. 4 pi epsilon naught, this R comes here. Then uh, here what you have to do is uh, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught R you keep as it is, and because we are replacing VR as 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q multiplied by RQ over capital RQ, this one. This is VR, and TQ, this is TQ. So the small work done is uh, TW is equal to this V of R TQ. That TQ is rho from this equation, rho multiplied by 4 pi R squared TR. Here we can cancel out some of the term. What are the term we can cancel? Here you have 4 pi and here you have 4 pi, which will get cancelled. And here you have R, and which will get cancelled with R cube, which will become R squared. Now here you have 1 over epsilon naught and Q. Here you have R squared and another R squared is here. So this will become R power 4 divided by capital R cube, and still you left out with rho, this rho and dr. So the small work done is equal to 1 over epsilon naught q small r power 4 over capital R cube multiplied by the volume charge density and multiplied with a small distance r. So now we will simplify it further. Now we got the relation for this small work done. dW is equal to 1 over epsilon naught Q small r power 4 over capital RQ multiplied by rho and dr. We know at the beginning of problem we have seen rho is equal to Q over 4 by 3 pi capital RQ. So you replace the rho by this one. Now you can change the cancel some of the thing. You bring this 3 to the numerator and 4 pi. Here you have 4 and pi. So this will become 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. And what else you can cancel? You can cancel. Here you have q and here you have another Q. Maybe I will use different color. Here you have Q, here you have Q. So this will become Q squared. So already you have brought 3 in the numerator. So this will become 3Q squared. Over here you have RQ and another RQ. So this will become R power 6. 3Q squared over R power 6, and you bring this R power 4 because we are going to integrate in order to get total work done. So R cube dr. This R cube we are bringing at the end. This R cube we are bringing here. R power 4, sorry, R not R cube, R power 4 dr. So we got now 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. This 3 q squared over R power 3 to R power 3, R power 6, and small r power 4 dr. In order to find the total work done, you integrate. Here you integrate r power 4 with respect to r between the limit 0 to r because we are increasing the radius. Now we will carry out this integral. Now we have seen that W is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 3q squared over r power 6 and the integral 0 to r power 4 dr. If you integrate this, you will get r power 5 over 5. If you apply the limit 0 to r, you will get capital R power 5 over 5. So now this and this will get cancelled. R power 5 will get cancelled with this R power 6. Simply it will become R. Now you take 3 over 5 first. 3 over 5, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. And what left here in the numerator? Only q squared. In the denominator you have R. So the work done to bring the small spherical shell from infinite distance to the surface of the original shell is equal to 3 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by q squared over r. If you find this lecture helpful one, kindly subscribe. Also share and join my channel for the growth of my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.